Hello everyone. So let's discuss this problem. Given in the question are orthocenter and centroid of a triangle, that is the coordinates for them respectively, and given if C is the circumcenter of this triangle, then the radius of the circle having line segment AC as diameter is what we need to find. To solve this question, we need to remember a particular property uh, involving orthocenter, centroid and circumcenter. That is, a line joining orthocenter, centroid and circumcenter is divided internally in the ratio of 1:2 at the point centroid. Correct? So when we apply the formula of uh, section for internal division on these two using these two coordinates to find C, the value we get is 6C2 right here. Correct? So now we have the coordinates for A and coordinate for C. We just have to apply the distance formula between them. The distance between A and C is using the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square whole under root is 3 root 10. Correct? So we know that AC is the diameter of the circle. Now the radius is always equal to half of the diameter. Thus dividing 3 root 10 by 2. Now we check the options. 3 root 10 is not an option given in the question. So we further solve it. We can write 2 as root 4 and dividing it by root 10 gives us the answer 3 root of 5 by 2. That is the first option A. So the correct answer in this case is A.